Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a delicious, easy Mexican hamburger. For this you will need hamburger buns and beef patties. You can make your own or you can buy them pre-made. You will also need ham, any of your choice, and Munster cheese or whatever cheese you like. You will also need lettuce. Now you will cook the beef patties and ham in a griddle or iron skillet over medium to high heat. You don't need any oil because the beef patties let out their own grease. Once your patties are almost done, you can add your ham and it will cook fast. When you turn it over, you can add your cheese on top of your ham and that way they will cook together. After this, you spread mayonnaise on your buns or butter. I prefer mayonnaise, and then toast lightly. After this, assemble your hamburger. Bun, beef patty, ham and cheese, lettuce, slice of tomato and avocado that I forgot to show, and top bun. Now that this is done, you can serve it with french fries or your choice of chips and maybe a pickled jalapeno, and you're done. I hope you try this recipe and you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and until next time.